Hi everyone. To solve these questions, we can see we have modulus, rational, and this side is positive 2. So to solve this, we can change our rational to the form of both side modulus. So when we having both side modulus, we can solve it by squaring both sides. So modulus x over modulus x plus 5. So we split the modulus first. As we can see, modulus at denominator means this part, this term always positive. So always positive, you can multiply it to the right hand side without changing the sign. But one thing we have to be careful here, when we move the denominator to the right hand side, we're doing the cross multiplication. So the form of rational, it will become the form of linear. So you have to take note where the rational denominator cannot take the value equals to 0. So x here cannot be negative 5, where you need to exclude, because the original form of the question is linear. When you do the cross multiply, it becomes, when the original form is rational, so when we do the cross multiply, it becomes linear. So in this case, when we're having denominator modulus, we can multiply it up. Therefore, when we're having both side modulus, we rewrite the symbol of modulus in the form of square root and square. So to solve this, we have to remove our square root by squaring both sides. So square root and square cancel. It gives us x squared. For this right hand side, 2 square will give you 4. And the square root square cancel each other, you will having the remaining term 5 plus x squared. So what we need to do next, we can see our question now is in the form of quadratic inequalities. So for quadratic inequalities, we're going to expand this. And we rearrange it to the right hand side. And we notice we have negative quadratic, so we divide it by negative, change it back to positive. So when we divide by negative, remember to change the symbol. Then we're doing our factorization and graph. So here we have the smaller value of negative 10. Bigger value here is negative 10 over 3. And what we need here is the region of less than 0, means the region below x-axis, and this answer cannot take the value of negative 5. Therefore, our answer will be negative 10 less than equal x less than negative 10 over 3 and x not equals to negative 5 in set solution form, or in interval form it will be negative 10, where you can see here got equal, so included, up to negative 5 not included, as negative 5 cannot take. When we taking negative 5, the denominator will be undefined, so exclude the value of negative 5, and we continue our answer until the range of negative 10 over 3 included for the symbol of equal. So that's all.